Many people want to experience the peace and clarity that meditation can bring, but they often feel overwhelmed by the complexities of how to practice it within the framework of Islam. Meditation in Islam is incredibly important for spiritual growth and mental well-being. In fact, it's essential for cultivating a strong connection with Allah and achieving inner peace. By dedicating time to meditation, Muslims can refine their character, improve their focus, and enhance their overall well-being. Historically, meditation has played a significant role in Islamic practices. The Quran and Hadith are filled with teachings that emphasize the importance of contemplation and reflection. For instance, the Quran encourages Muslims to reflect on the signs of creation, while the Hadith of the Prophet Muhammad highlights the value of sitting in solitude to focus on one's thoughts and emotions. There are several methods and techniques of meditation practiced in Islam. One of the most powerful is dhikr, which involves the remembrance of God through repetitive phrases or movements. This can be as simple as repeating Allah or Alhamdulillah to more complex recitations of specific verses or prayers. Another technique is reflective contemplation, which involves focusing on the blessings and favors of Allah, such as the gift of life, health, and sustenance. This can be done by sitting in a quiet space, closing one's eyes, and reflecting on the beauty of creation and the wonders of the universe. Another method is the practice of muraqabah, which involves visualizing oneself in the presence of Allah, imagining His grandeur and majesty. This can be a profound way to cultivate a sense of awe and reverence for the divine. Lastly, some Muslims practice meditation through the recitation of certain Quranic verses or hadith that promote introspection and self-reflection, such as the verse "We will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that it is the truth." Despite the many benefits of meditation, many beginners face challenges when starting their practice. One common misconception is that meditation is somehow un-Islamic or that it's only for mystics or Sufis. Another challenge is finding a quiet and conducive environment for meditation, especially for those living in busy cities or with noisy families. One of the biggest challenges for beginners is creating a consistent routine. This can be overcome by setting aside a specific time and space for meditation, such as early in the morning or before bed. It's also essential to start small, beginning with short sessions of just 10 to 15 minutes a day and gradually increasing the duration as one becomes more comfortable with the practice. Another tip is to find a meditation buddy or accountability partner who can provide support and motivation. Additionally, it's crucial to let go of expectations and not get discouraged if the mind wanders during meditation. This is a normal part of the process, and with patience and persistence, one can develop greater focus and clarity. It's also important to remember that meditation is not a replacement for Salah or other obligatory acts of worship. Rather, it's a supplement to one's spiritual practice, a way to deepen one's connection with Allah and cultivate a greater sense of awareness and gratitude. By incorporating meditation into one's daily routine, Muslims can experience greater peace, clarity, and inner transformation. In conclusion, meditation is a powerful tool for spiritual growth and mental well-being in Islam. By understanding its importance, learning about its various techniques, and overcoming common challenges, Muslims can unlock the many benefits of this practice and deepen their connection with the divine. Remember, the key is to be consistent, patient, and gentle with oneself, and to always keep the intention of drawing closer to Allah. If you're interested in exploring further resources on Islamic meditation, I encourage you to check out our other videos on mindfulness and spirituality. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to start your own meditation practice.